Well, hello there. I'm Dr. Diallo, an academic coach and a testing expert with Study.com. Are you currently preparing to take the FTCE Marketing 6 through 12 with testing code 057 assessment? This assessment covers the subtopic of knowledge of selling. I have good news for you. You're in the right place because that's exactly what I'm here to do. I want to walk you through a few sample test questions and provide you some test-taking strategies to support your studying and preparation for your big day. Let's begin and dig right in by looking at problem number 1. A salesperson is facing a potential customer who is hesitant to make a purchase due to concerns about the product's quality. What is the most effective strategy for the salesperson to address these concerns? A, highlight the product's low price and affordability. B, provide detailed product specifications and share testimonials from satisfied customers. C, offer a discount to encourage immediate purchase. Or D, avoid discussing quality concerns to prevent further hesitation. For this particular scenario, we know that there's a salesperson who is working with a potential customer, but that customer is not really sure they want to make that purchase or not. And they're concerned about the product's quality. So we're looking at the different scenarios trying to determine which strategy would be most effective for the salesperson. To address concerns about the product's quality, the salesperson should provide detailed product specifications and share testimonials from satisfied customers. This approach helps build credibility and it reassures the potential customer by demonstrating that others have had positive experiences with the product. While answer choices A, C, and D offer suggestions, they are not ways to build a positive relationship with a potential customer. The answer choice that offers the best suggestion is B, which is provide detailed product specifications and share testimonials from satisfied customers. A salesperson is trying to close a deal but encounters a customer who expresses interest but seems indecisive. Which selling technique is most appropriate to use at this stage? A, provide additional options and offer to customize the product to fit their needs. B, pressure the customer to make a decision quickly. C, lower the price to make the deal more attractive. Or D, stop all further communication to avoid seemingly pushy. When a customer is indecisive, providing additional options and offering to customize the product can help address their specific needs and preferences. This technique helps the customer feel more confident in their decision by tailoring the offer to better suit their requirements. Pressuring the customer, lowering the price, and stopping communication can all result in a loss of a sale and an unhappy customer. Choices B, C, and D can be deemed unprofessional and can potentially have negative impact on the relationship with the customer. Therefore, answer choice A, provide additional options and offer to customize the product to fit their needs, is the best answer choice. A retail store is launching a new product and wants to train its sales team to effectively sell it. Which approach should be prioritized in the training program to ensure the sales team is well prepared? A, teaching the history of the company and its products. B, reviewing general sales techniques without specific product details. C, focusing on the store's layout and inventory management. Or D, practicing objection handling techniques and role-playing sales scenarios. Well, within our question, we notice that the store is launching a new product. And in order to sell this product, they have to train their sales team. They have to train their sales team to effectively sell it. So which approach should be prioritized? Now, prioritized is the key word here because some of these answer choices may sound like good options. However, there's one that should stick out as a priority, and that's the one that we need to try and find. Well, practicing objection handling techniques and role-playing sales scenarios is crucial in preparing the sales team to effectively sell the new product. This approach helps salespeople develop skills to address customer objections and respond confidently in various sales situations, which is essential for successful selling. While answer choices A, B, and C are a relevant part of the training process and will probably be necessary, the priority should be D, practicing objection handling techniques and role-playing sales scenarios. A customer is interested in purchasing a product but is concerned about the return policy. What is the best way for the salesperson to address this concern and facilitate the sale? A. Reassure the customer that they can return the product without any conditions. B. Explain the return policy clearly and highlight any customer-friendly aspects, such as a satisfaction guarantee. C. Suggest that the customer review the return policy on the company's website for details. Or D. Ignore the concern and focus on emphasizing the product's features and benefits. So in the question, we notice that there's a customer who's ready to buy a product, but they're concerned about the return policy. So return policy is the key phrase that we want to think about here. What is the best way that the salesperson can address this concern and actually facilitate the sale of the product? Well, to address concerns about their return policy, the salesperson should clearly explain the policy and highlight any customer-friendly aspects, such as a satisfaction guarantee. This helps build trust and confidence in the purchase decision, making the customer feel more comfortable about proceeding with the purchase. Telling a customer they can return a product without conditions may not be completely accurate and can be seen as misleading. Suggesting a customer review the return policy on the company website lacks empathy and follow-through and is actually ignoring the concern, and focusing on the product's features and benefits would not be attending to the needs and concerns of the customer. Therefore, answer choice B, explain the return policy clearly and highlight any customer-friendly aspects, such as a satisfaction guarantee, is the correct answer choice. Well, I sincerely hope that you found that video to be helpful and informative. For more practice, check out our FTCE Marketing 6 through 12 057 playlist. And for even more detailed practice, strategies, and customizable study materials, head on over to study.com and check out our FTCE Marketing 6 through 12 test prep course. Those who use study.com boast a 92% passing rate. Our courses include full-length exams, hundreds of authentic practice problems, and short, targeted video lessons specifically developed based on the latest testing updates. Like this video and subscribe to this channel to get all of the latest FTCE testing updates. And please leave your questions and your success stories too in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and good luck.